Since 2006, we have been using their equipments, and the equipments are at excellence. Myself, Anil Jayapuria, on the behalf of UMA Group, I congratulate Statfield Equipments for their completion of 50 years. We are using Statfield Equipments since last 17 years with manufacturing plants at Calcutta and Nagpur. And both the units are having Statfield Equipments installed at their plants. Also, we are well aware of the latest equipments introduced by the Statfield Group, and we see that we upgrade ourselves in the coming time. We wish many more excellence, success to the Statfield Group in the coming years.